in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ogle County in
we're in
north
it.
central Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cheyenne, or 10 miles south of Freeport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Ogle County, including the following locations: Baileyville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
This is serious.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Very high, because it's coming into our county, meaning it'll come into frickin' town.
Hide under something.
No, that's the dumbest thing to do.
No, it's actually smart. It can protect you from the beat with the best and hit you and kill
We
you.
already are in the basement.
Yeah, but you can still shoot
Make
the
sure
other
you're away from any windows.
Oh, that window's already broken. It got broken from a fire. It got broken from a fire that was in the escape window.
Then branches are going on.
Maybe try to get away from the window though.
It's in the corner of the room and I'm not close enough to it. We'll probably end up going in Nathaniel's room.
Right there.
No, the stairs could fall right on us, on our head. Yes. You know, one of us could end severely injured if it does actually come right
It's
towards
not.
us.
It's very sturdy.